there. It's going.
There's no shame to my game.
Alright, ready?
Yes.
Okay.
Up to the numb.
Tell us when.
And go. We have Staff Sergeant Paul, Staff Sergeant Cornejo. Back to the days of where it all started. Paris Island and MCRD.
Bam.
That was pretty quick. That was pretty quick. Disassembly, let's see. Is it all the way to disassemble? Yes. Did you take the buffer spring out? Staff Sergeant Paul?
No, you don't have to take it out.
I was about to say, Staff Sergeant Paul is disqualified because she did not take out to remove the buffer spring.
Shit, I almost got a 5-second penalty.
And the buffer spring always comes out, but not for this one. Which they should do buffer springs. And Staff Sergeant Cornejo was catching up.
He done put it back. He done took it out already.
And Staff Sergeant Paul has a brand new M16 A2 service rifle.
Yeah, right, whatever.
And let's see. Coming along, handguards with a bunch of dental floss inside the handguards. And Staff Sergeant Paul, after combat conditioning, is locked and loaded and ready to go. Mission complete. Mission complete. So,
Yeah.
how do you stop? How do you stop the camera? Wow, she left the damn ghost. Smokes. You need to do the M9 take apart.
Yeah.